Alright guys, I'm back from Crutcher Crafter '09. I'm just blasting, well not blasting, but breaking my old TNT cannon on the TNT Wars map. Cause, as you know, well, I guess you could know, I'm not gonna imply that you know, but, PS3, I don't know if PS4 got it yet, but I know PS3 and PS Vita got an update. We got like horses and all this different stuff. Okay, done with that. You know what? I'm going to do this. Wait. Alright, wrap this around. I'm just gonna make it easier and get one, one, um, drive rails or minecart. Minecart. I'll do like 4 minecart. Well, that's what I need. I'm gonna have to update all these chests because there's different blocks that the redstone and stuff. Oh no. I'll break that and then flip that. I'll do it on the next side. And if you haven't seen this, all you do is you click on it and then click on the next one above. I don't like that they changed the button. Are you serious? Like 2 minutes. There's one left there. You know what I mean. I'm just talking fresh. Well, you have to have ladder there so you can hold the minecart out. And now I go here. Okay. And then it means that. Alright, look. Now we have a automatic thing. And then you click on the last one. Alright, so where I think I'm gonna build my camp. Right here. Don't know how far I need to put that. And let's put the water. Put the water. Please put it now. Don't know. I think I'm gonna have to move. I'm gonna have to move this one over so I'm over this one. Don't know why I'm moving for an elevator. Why I can't just move the elevator. Alright, well you started out as a normal cannon. The slabs down. But this thing, I'm pretty sure if I do this right, it might lag the server. So, I haven't got to use these yet. Where is it? Do I even have it? Yeah, right there. I'm going to. Okay, I can't. Right. That's it. Get that block, get that block, get that. Spencer, break those. No, I do it on the other side just to get extra shots in. It's just gonna be off. Maybe it'll work. If this explodes on time, it can't hit there. Oh, it's not bad. I guess I can make two if I wanted to, and not do any work at all, and have I could. The easiest part about this is that I really don't have to touch anything with it. I'll probably just do, just in case, yeah, I'll do 4 sensors on each side if I need that much power, but I don't think I need that much power. It sucks that it's not like PC where you can cross over, like, redstone to repeaters. Then I gotta go out one more, go block there, block there. Ooh. Well, I want a repeater right there. No. One, two, three, four. No, 9 right there. Did I connect it to? It could be. Because it'll be right there. I kinda need it. I think I might need to check. It's not that hard to tell me. Oh, that's what makes me mad. Okay, how many repeaters is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bless you. Don't know why I just said so. Why not? I'm blasted now. I know you lie. That song is like in my head. I can turn the rail. It's up that thing. I need to spell. Actually, I need it. Corner. Oh, yeah. I'm doing this completely wrong. I did it. But where can I do it? It just needs. Alright, 1, 2. 3, 4, 5. One more. 6. 6. You gotta have that going on. And I think I set it to 4 6. Alright, you know what? Just to make sure I'm doing this right. I can change it. Yeah, I'll have to change it. I can make another camera. That's easier than this one. And I just put the button. There we go. See? Now it is in the complete loop. There's a way to do it with Rails too, but that's not it. Yeah, I just want to make sure this is doing that. Okay, so it's putting out the top. So it should be doing the bottom one too. Just gonna break this off. I guess I'll break this next. And well, I have to change for this. I usually put 2 stacks in each thing, so I don't have to reload it for a while. That's a little fun. And I have to get 2, 4, 4. Oh, I can't think. Like 10 stacks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count it all. Gonna get that one. Please tell me I counted this one. I already put 2. I think I counted. And now I need one more stack. Or 2 more. Alright, make sure. Alright, and then sometimes you'll have to disconnect like some power. So I'd probably just disconnect this one. So it's easier when you take off everything. Now I'm gonna save it. Hopefully this doesn't hit. Okay, blast a huge wall. Now we let the cannon do the work. Are you serious? Well, that's something I got this. There'll be one more ticket to later. Okay, I think I'm in. What's my phone? It's moving the minecart. But they should know it. Alright, now I gotta exit again. I'll save and back out and fix that little thing. But, alright, anyway, you know what? after I do that, I'll let you see the full cannon and how much power it does and stuff, and fix the delays if I need to, and then the video will be ended. Right over here. Up here. Here. And now it should work. Save game. Alright. Full cannon in action. First we're going to blow this up. Blow up the wall. Sometimes she puts TNT on this side. And sometimes I can get it to explode her cannons like that. And then just wait for it to go around. Put it in. Let's see if it's too much power. That's 18 too. Pushing like 4. Whew. Way too much. Alright, after that shot, take these off. Take these off. Yeah, let's see if that's possible. Yes, I could add like I need less delay on this part here. Let's get that one. No? Go. Go up there. Yeah, that's good. Go. Trying to just work out the bugs. I want this to explode right in the air. So, damn close. I need to take off like 2 ticks. Oh. Oh, so close. Oh, that. Is it just not close enough? Cool. Oh, yeah. It's hitting the ladder, so I just gotta have it blow up like 1 tick low. Alright. One more tick. About that. Boom. Make the cannon. Tender enough damage. Blow up the TNT. There we go. There goes it. Yeah. We got it fixed a little bit. Alright, but actually we're not saving. Alright guys, well that is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Kind of tutorial demolition slash rebuild. But thanks for watching and hit that like button if you like this episode. And goodbye.